Hello, NeXT and 3D printing community. I wanted to show you just what I'm going to have on deck tomorrow for you guys. A lot of progress today. So my idea for making these rollable works pretty good. I got an appliance cart put together, and I think I can expand it so it'll fit that footprint perfectly. And I did it for both of those, and I've got one more bookshelf. Better than the alternative method of the smaller wheels. I've got Greg's 030 cube torn down, completely went through and polished everything up. So we're going to do a reassembly on the 030. And my idea for making shrouds, I think, is going to work out just fine. So this is the shroud that was on it. These are the ones that I'm making. And I think they're looking pretty good. I made a bunch of different sizes. So the proof of concept is scalable. And there was initially a template online, but I'm going through and making mods to it so it fits what I need it to do, which will be a 13W3 connector. And I think it's going to look pretty sharp. And the real fun is my spool filament winder works like a champ. So you start it out with these TPU cranks to get it started. It winds it. And to get things started, it's pretty neat. So you just kind of crank it a few times. I'll show you tomorrow. Then once you get it going, I use the drill, and it's got a little drill adapter, and it winds it the rest of the way. So I'm able to buy bulk filament, which saves a few bucks for the environment, saves these spools since I have lots of them coming available. And just trying to, be a little conscious about some recycling stuff. And we're going to have another cube coming up. And Daniel, your mono turbo is complete over here on that desk. So I'm just getting it boxed up. Got all that buttoned up today. Productive day. And then I can finally get your turbo colors all boxed up here already. And I can finally get to the H2D printer. I wanted to get caught up on all these other projects before tackling that. And our shelf rotates and rolls now. The one thing I'm not so sure about, man, I wish these circles went out a little bit further because I've got rather larger books, but I can kind of take these and balance them a little bit. We'll see. It's great for hardcover and smaller footprint books, but it almost would have been better to have, I've seen a different design that has this all removed in the center, and then they kind of have posts on the outside. And a little bit larger circumference. I think these were from Temu, so you're never quite sure what you're getting from them, as well as the appliance carts. Will they stand the test of time? I don't know if they're made to hold that much weight, so we'll see. But I do like the idea of rolling, rotating bookshelves. So, stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole. These look pretty sharp, though. I'm getting better at assembling furniture, and I've got one more to go. The best part is I get a chance to look at all the books. I'm going to do a rotating shelf image of all the books I have available, and then just let you guys have a look at it, and you can pick the books off the shelf that you want. I've already sold a couple that way. All right. Have a good evening. I'm having fun with this, and I appreciate everybody's business and patience. Have a good day. Oh, and I'll show you this. Let's see. We'll get over here and show you some other projects that I'm working on. It's pretty neat. I like this guy. This is pretty neat here. Let's see. So we've got this guy. Check him out. He's an infinity cube. Turned out pretty sweet. And then I've got this as like a pen and pencil holder, and I'm going to put like some NeXT logos back here, and probably make it look more like a cube on the side. But it's turning out pretty sweet, and then you can hold your pens and pencils in it. And let's see, we've got our mounting brackets and sound box cases, all kinds of fun stuff. So, and Daniel, there's your mono turbo over here. We can kind of see him over the top. So it's all buttoned up and ready to go. Stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole.